Okay, one of the great things about Fathom Analytics is the ability to be able to not only just get a nice simple overview of where your visitors are coming from and, you know, pages and all those sort of things. You can also get events, which allows you to track things which happen on your website, like a contact us button and page loads like thank you pages. So I just want to step you through the process on how you can set that up on a divi site in the back end. So we're just going to jump over to our divi sample site. I've already created a button here called contact us. I'm just going to go through and show you what I've done. I'm just going to enable the visual builder, let it load up. Okay, we're just going to go in, and what we need to do after you've set up your button and you've created, etc., simply just come into the advanced area, we need to create a class name, and I've created one called contact us. As you can see there, I'm just going to save that. I'll save the page. Okay, now that page is saved. Once you've got that, you then need to go through and set up an event. So how do you do that? Set up these events is you just come to the coggle, find your site that you've got, and go into event management, and you can see that we've already set one up here. So if you were to do another one, you could say demo button, okay, and create event. Create one there, you go, it's demo button. So what we've done is a contact us one. We're just going to jump into there. As you can see, it's called contact us. And then we have an events guide. So the best way to do is actually go to your events guide, and which is this page. And then we come through. Now, I have found if you're doing multiple events, if you just got a single one, follow these instructions, but I'm finding I'm getting a lot of success from just doing this simple bit of script. So you just copy this script here and then bring that over into your divi site. So we're going to dashboard, divi, we're going to go to theme options, integration, and then we're going to paste the code into here. I've already done that, so for this example, I'll just take that out. So once you've got your code posted in, you need to put that class code that we've just gone through, so that contact us, so that's the class code that got up in there, and then you want to find the goal. When the goal is this here, the event goal. All right, so you just copy that, and then you'll be pasting that into there. And once you've got that all loaded in, simply just save your changes. I like to go do a check to make sure it's loaded into the page, and it seems to be working. So the simplest way to do that is just come back to your page, right click, view page source, Control F on your keyboard, and you can see I've already done contact us. I've got two, one of them with a button, which we're using in this example. Yep, so you can see the class, and then the next one will be the code. And there you can see the code which is popping up and doing the tracking side of things. So once that's loaded, we can just shut that down, and we know that we're on the site because I'm going to show you in a minute. I'll come back out of here, go to the dashboard. It's showing that I'm here. I've only got one page here, okay? So one person, that's me at the moment, and I've included one event. So let's go through. See, this is one completion. We're just going to hit the contact us page. It's going to take us over to my main site. And if we jump back to here, we've got one completion. I'm just going to refresh that, and hopefully we should get another. Yep, there we go, and it's completed too. So unique was the first one, and there's the second one there. So that's how you set up an event tag using the Fathom Analytics. Hope that's helpful. Feel free to leave a comment and share with others. Thank you.